Very good, very good.
Then we take a mixture and we take calcium carbonate in distilling water. Then we pour the mixture into filter paper.
This is one group. The boys has been and girls has been separated. This is the girls group. They are also performing. Hurry up, girls! Hurry up! You are getting late. Hurry up! Your assembly setup has not been done up till now. Very bad. The other groups. It's a huge lab. So the other groups. Trying to dissolve it. It's insoluble. They are learning the filtration technique. Mix again and then again pour. Stop it, stop the process. Again mix it with the stirring rod. Mix, stir it with a stirring rod and then again pour. Okay, so girls are also mixing down and their assembly setup is done.